Good visibility should be a matter of course. In rainy conditions, you can activate the wipers via this lever. If you select Auto, your ID will control the wipers automatically in 2 intensity levels. And of course, there are also the classic manual low and high settings for slow and fast wiping. Push this button to activate a single short wipe. Push the button further down and hold it to clean the windscreen. Quite clever. At the same time, your ID will briefly switch to air recirculation mode to keep the smell of the washer fluid outside. Use this switch to activate the rear window wiper. If you move the switch all the way to the right, the rear window and the reversing camera will be cleaned at the same time. To refill washer fluid, open the bonnet and fill it in. To clean or replace the wipers, activate the service position, either here in the vehicle settings, or when you have switched off your ID in the exit menu. Beautiful views in your ID, even when it's raining.
Volkswagen.